We were playing with wolves. Wolves. We were playing with wolves. 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 Wolves.
Hi. 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 You don't want to be friends. Cross my heart. Just for you. Just for you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, oh, oh.
Is it true, Doctor? Something.
Whoa, 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 whoa. No danger. Besides...
Well, you.
I get a little confused myself.
Ah!
Yeah. Keep on it coming. Coming.
And the wolves?
Don't figure. I just don't figure. Well, I've been around them wolves before. They only kill. Just killing for the sake of killing. Just killing for the sake of killing. Just killing for the sake of killing.
Well, I can't answer that.
All the better to eat you with, my dear.
Yeah.
Sometimes I can't either. It's whoop. Names just for pets.
Pa.
Pets is a very special kind of thing. You know, whoop, they get real close to us. Whoop, they get to be our friends. Whoop, they love us, we love them. And that's the way it is, because God made them to be with people. You're made to be wild. And you train them. You know, one time in Chicago, I ain't happy. I want to be out in the jungle. I want to be able to let out a big roar. Big roar. Be free.
Roar.
Good idea. I tell you what we'll do. Roar.
Agreed.
But we need something. All this climate up and all this climate up and all this climate up and it's getting a little rough. Hey. I know what. I'm right here. That stuff you make is awful.
I'm running.
Talk to you, Garvey.
All right. So. Go about what you come to do, about what you come down to do, about what you come down to do, about what you come to do, about what you come doing. And leave me be, leave me be, leave me be, leave me be. Sorry about this. We'll kill. Besides, even if it is, whoop, 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 ups. You stay away from them wolves. The matter is closed. The matter is closed. It's closed.
Nothing's gonna happen. Nothing bad. Let's go. Come on.
I told her to be in my treehouse. I told her to be in my treehouse. I told her to be in my treehouse. I told her to be in my treehouse.
I'll get her.
Tell her to hurry.